Welcome to Timor-Leste, a land where untouched beauty meets rich culture, and every journey leads to discovery. Nestled in the heart of Southeast Asia, Timor-Leste is one of the world's last truly off-the-beaten-path destinations. A hidden gem waiting to be explored. Dive into crystal-clear waters teeming with marine life. Our pristine reefs are among the most biodiverse on Earth. A paradise for divers, snorkelers, and ocean lovers. Hike through misty mountains, discover cascading waterfalls, and be surrounded by landscapes that have remained untouched for centuries. Experience a culture rich in tradition, from sacred rituals and vibrant festivals to the intricate art of ties weaving and the warmth of our people. Walk through history in our colonial towns. A blend of Portuguese heritage and indigenous roots, Timor-Leste tells a story that spans generations. Whether you're seeking adventure, tranquility, or connection, in Timor-Leste you'll find something rare: authenticity. Come explore the untouched. Come discover Timor-Leste. Your journey begins here, the land of crocodiles.